Do you know that jaggery or gur is being produced in Chhattisgarh also? The bank of river Half in Bemetra district is currently captivating farmers across the region for its jaggery production, which is estimated to be 50 crore industry. In the Navagarh block of the district, the air is infused with the sweet aroma of jaggery, and farmers from Bemetra, Saja, Navagarh, and Berla blocks of the district are part of this enterprise. The agricultural department informed that sugarcane cultivation spans 647 hectares in Bemetra, 245 hectares in Saja, 323 hectares in Navagarh, and 236 hectares in Berla, amounting to a potentially 50 crore business if farmers capitalize on the total 1451 hectares. Each acre yields between 40 to 50 quintals of jaggery, fetching approximately 3,400 to 3,600 rupees in market. Even after deducting the costs such as binding, cutting, and electricity for water and sugarcane crushers, farmers savor the sweetness of their hard work. On the banks of river Half, farmers are playing very crucial role in jaggery production. Although the jaggery production boasts a two-decade legacy in the district, it has yet to establish its own distinctive brand. Outsiders, particularly experts from Uttar Pradesh and Haryana, continue to play a significant role in the process due to a shortage of skilled local laborers. Unfortunately, the absence of adequate support from the state government and the lack of a local open market compel farmers to sell their jaggery in local markets. The district's agricultural landscape has undergone a shift over the years, with soybean cultivation, once referred to as white gold, is dwindling. Gram cultivation is also on the decline, while the dominance of rice cultivation, especially during the summer season, raises concerns amid severe water scarcity. If unaddressed, this trend may mirror the fate of soya beans in the district.